You got to have 5 income streams. If you don't have 5 income streams, you have a high probability of ending up being a person that is going to have a serious financial problem in years to come. So what could be, these are just some ideas. Now my list, I looked on my list, I have 12 income streams, but 5 income streams, here's just some ideas of what an average person maybe could do. Maybe get some multifamily rental income. You guys know Jill on my team. We have a builder down in South Georgia. He's building 4 plexes and 6 plexes with $255,000. They're already fully rented. The rent is $3,100 a month. Your mortgage payment is $1,600 a month. You're making $1,500 a month. What if you had 2 of them? Then you have $3,000 a month coming in passive income for the rest of your life. Okay, that's easily doable. Some people say, well, what does it take to buy an investment property? Right now, I'm telling you about the what. We're talking about the what. And then your financial investments, right? Everybody knows here that you should be taking 10% of what you make and investing it in mutual funds. Like, we all know that. It's no secret. And it needs to be automated, right? It needs to be automated. Like, you need to treat your 10% of what you make and invest in it in mutual funds, or at least mutual funds, I would say. You need to treat it like a bill. You need to treat it just like a bill. Okay, boom, I gotta pay my bill. I don't know if I can have steak this month. I might have to eat rice and beans this month. But if the 10% is gonna put me in the rice and bean market or the steak market, it just depends. But you should take 10% of everything you make, and you have to be investing 10% of what you make. Some of us, that may mean cutting your lifestyle down, right? From this grandiose lifestyle to, a lifestyle down here, because there's nobody gonna be waiting for you to help you when you get elderly. And it's not your kids' responsibilities to do that. That's not their responsibility. It's our responsibility. We're working people. Revenue share opportunity. You have that here. You also have stock here at this company. Hopefully you guys are taking, a percentage of your closings and investing it in stock. Like, this is a company that's kind of like on the ground floor that's getting, moving up the ladder. I wouldn't put 100% of my money in any company, right? That's why I like mutual funds. That's focused on the S&P 500 index. Okay, make sure you pay attention to stuff like that. And then income from social media. We had a couple weeks ago, we had Melissa come on here. Melissa told her story, how she started off with nothing. She was living with her brother. She was renting cars. She couldn't even afford to have a car. And now she makes $10,000 a month. It's even more now. I talked to her a couple weeks ago, right? We walked you through that training, right? So we're giving you the what and the how, and then whatever entrepreneurial endeavors that you all have. We all have a gift, and we just need to learn how to monetize our gift. Very simple, right? If you don't know how to do it, why don't you just follow the training that Melissa did, right? I helped Melissa get over her confidence to get to that point where she now is just got packages showing up to her door every day now. She's always texting me now. And now she's doing, basically online commercials for Starbucks and all these other companies. Like, she's nobody special. I'm nobody special. All she did was take action. And she goes from renting cars, living with family members with her 3 children, to now she's the person with the bag versus trying to get help from people with the bag. So I love that story, right? So the what, I write down your ideal life. Writing down